The educational landscape is experiencing a revolutionary transformation as artificial intelligence democratizes the creation of high quality learning materials for teachers, students, and educational entrepreneurs worldwide. What once required hours of manual work, specialized design skills, and significant resources can now be accomplished in minutes using powerful AI tools that are accessible to anyone with an internet connection. This presentation will guide you through the complete process of leveraging AI to create professional study guides, interactive flashcards, printable worksheets, and comprehensive learning tools that can enhance education and generate substantial income. Whether you're a teacher looking to streamline lesson preparation, a student seeking better study materials, or an entrepreneur exploring the lucrative educational content market, AI provides unprecedented opportunities to create, scale, and monetize learning resources. The tools we'll explore today include industry leaders like ChatGPT for content generation, Quizlet AI for interactive learning, Canva AI for visual design, and specialized platforms that can transform your educational ideas into professional products. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a complete roadmap for building an AI-powered educational content business that serves learners while creating sustainable income streams. The future of education is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence, working in partnership with human creativity and pedagogical expertise. We're witnessing the most significant transformation in educational content creation since the invention of the printing press, as artificial intelligence tools both democratize access to professional quality learning materials for educators and entrepreneurs worldwide. Traditional educational content creation required specialized skills, expensive software, and countless hours of manual work, creating barriers that prevented many talented educators from sharing their expertise with broader audiences. Today's AI revolution has shattered these barriers, enabling anyone with teaching knowledge to create comprehensive study guides, interactive flashcards, and engaging learning materials using simple text prompts and intuitive interfaces. The statistics are staggering. Educators using AI tools report 70% time savings in content creation while maintaining or improving the quality of their educational materials through AI assisted research, formatting, and design capabilities. The transformation extends beyond individual productivity gains to create entirely new economic opportunities, with the global educational technology market projected to reach $377 billion by 2028, driven largely by AI powered learning solutions. The convergence of artificial intelligence and education isn't changing just how we create content. It's redefining who can participate in the educational content economy and how quickly ideas can be transformed into valuable learning resources. For forward thinking educators and entrepreneurs, this represents a once in a generation opportunity to build scalable educational businesses that serve learners while generating substantial passive income through digital product sales and licensing. The AI educational content landscape has exploded with powerful platforms that make content creation accessible to everyone. ChatGPT for Teachers leads the pack with its free access through 2027, making it the perfect starting point for educators looking to streamline lesson planning and study guide creation. Claude AI excels at detailed educational content development, while Jasper AI offers specialized templates that can accelerate your content production workflow. On the educational platform side, Quizlet AI revolutionizes flashcard creation by automatically generating study materials from any text you provide. Atlas Study Guides takes this further by creating comprehensive visual learning materials that engage students across different learning styles. Canva AI rounds out the toolkit by handling all your visual design needs, from worksheets to presentation guides, without requiring any design experience. Together, these platforms create a comprehensive ecosystem where you can generate, design, and distribute educational content at unprecedented speed and scale. AI powered study guide creation creates one of the most practical and immediately profitable applications of AI intelligence in education, transforming how students prepare for exams and how educators support learning outcomes. The process begins with feeding source materials, textbooks, lecture notes, and curriculum standards into AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude, which can instantly extract key concepts, create structured outlines, and generate comprehensive study materials tailored to specific learning objectives. AI advanced tools can analyze complex academic content and automatically generate different types of study aids, including concept summaries, practice questions, visual diagrams, and even mnemonic devices that help students retain information more effectively. The real power emerges when you combine multiple AI capabilities. Use ChatGPT to extract and organize content, Canva AI to create visual elements and infographics, and specialized tools like Quizlet to transform static content into interactive learning experiences. Quality control remains essential. Successful study guide creators always review AI generated content for accuracy, add their pedagogical expertise, and ensure materials align with specific curriculum standards and learning outcomes. The market demand for high quality study guides is enormous, with students, parents, and educators constantly seeking materials that can improve learning efficiency and academic performance across all subjects and grade levels. When done correctly, AI generated study guides can be packaged and sold on platforms like Amazon KDP, Teachers Pay Teachers, or Etsy, creating passive income streams that continue generating revenue long after the initial creation effort. Smart flashcards represent a quantum leap beyond traditional paper cards, leveraging AI to create personalized learning experiences that adapt to your brain's unique retention patterns. Platforms like Quizlet AI can instantly transform any text, whether it's a textbook chapter, lecture notes, or research paper, into comprehensive flashcard sets, complete with definitions, examples, and even visual aids. The real magic happens with spaced repetition algorithms that track which concepts you're struggling with and automatically increase the frequency of those challenging cards while reducing review time for material you've already mastered. These AI systems can generate multiple question formats from the same content, creating true false questions, multiple choice options, fill in the blank exercises, and matching activities to keep your study sessions engaging and comprehensive. For language learners, AI flashcards can include pronunciation guides, contextual usage examples, and even cultural notes that traditional flashcards simply cannot provide. The data shows that students using AI powered repetition systems achieve retention rates up to 200% higher than those using traditional study methods, making this one of the most scientifically backed approaches to learning. Whether you're a medical student memorizing anatomy, a language learner building vocabulary, or a professional studying for certifications, AI flashcards can dramatically accelerate your learning while making the process more enjoyable and less time consuming. Creating printable worksheets and classroom resources has been revolutionized by AI tools that can generate customized educational materials in minutes rather than hours. For worksheet creation, AI excels at producing math problem sets with varying difficulty levels, complete with answer keys and step by step solutions that help students understand the problem solving process. Language arts activities become effortless when you can generate grammar exercises, vocabulary builders, and reading comprehension passages tailored to specific grade levels or learning objectives. Science educators can leverage AI to create lab sheets, experiment guides, and data collection forms that include proper safety protocols and structured observation templates. Beyond individual worksheets, AI can generate comprehensive classroom resources like lesson plan templates that align with curriculum standards, detailed assessment rubrics for various types of assignments, and interactive educational games that make learning engaging. The key to success is combining AI efficiency with your pedagogical expertise, ensuring that generated materials meet your students' specific needs and learning styles. These AI created resources can be packaged and sold on platforms like Teachers Pay Teachers, turning your classroom innovations into profitable digital products. The transition from creating educational content to generating revenue requires a strategic approach that goes far beyond simply uploading files to a marketplace. Successful digital product creators understand that bundling related materials creates significantly more value than selling individual items, with themed packages like Complete Biology Study Kit or SAT Math Prep Bundle commanding premium prices. Pricing strategies are crucial. Individual worksheets might sell for $3 to $8, comprehensive bundles for $15 to $25, and full or extensive resource collections for $50 to $150, depending on the depth and market demand. Search engine optimization becomes your best friend in the crowded digital marketplace, where keyword rich titles, detailed descriptions, and strategic tagging can mean the difference between obscurity and bestseller status. Quality assurance is non negotiable. While AI provides the foundation, your expertise in reviewing, enhancing, and personalizing the content ensures accuracy and adds the human touch that customers value. The most successful creators start focused, launching 5 to 10 high quality products in a specific niche before expanding, allowing them to build authority and understand their audience deeply. Remember, you're not just selling study materials, you're providing learning solutions that save time, reduce stress, and improve educational outcomes for your customers. Success in educational product sales requires understanding the unique characteristics and audiences of each major marketplace platform. Teachers Pay Teachers stands out as the premium destination for educators, where quality curriculum aligned resources can command higher prices and generate substantial recurring revenues for top sellers. The platform's built in search functionality is optimized for educational items, making it easier for teachers to discover content when they search by grade level, subject, or teaching standard. Etsy offers a different opportunity, targeting the massive homeschool and parent market with more visually driven printed resources that emphasize attractive design and seasonal relevance. While Etsy prices tend to be lower, the volume potential is enormous, especially for creators who master the art of eye catching thumbnails and strategic keyword optimization. Kindle Direct Publishing provides the ultimate in passive income potential, allowing you to publish comprehensive study guides and educational workbooks that generate royalties long after publication. The key to marketplace success lies in understanding each platform's unique algorithm, audience preferences, and pricing expectations, then tailoring your AI generated content accordingly. Building a successful educational brand empire requires more than just creating great content. It demands a strategic approach to visual identity, messaging, and community engagement across all platforms. Your visual identity serves as the foundation, with consistent logos, color schemes, and branded templates that make your content instantly recognizable whenever someone encounters it on Teachers Pay Teachers, Etsy, or social media. Content strategy goes beyond individual products to encompass your unique teaching philosophy and educational approach, creating a comprehensive narrative that resonates with your target audience and differentiates you from competitors. Community building transforms one time customers into loyal followers who eagerly anticipate your next release, achieved through consistent engagement, valuable free content, and direct communication channels like email newsletters. A systematic growth strategy leverages cross platform promotion, strategic collaborations with other educators, and data-driven optimization to expand your reach and influence. The most successful educational brands understand that they're not just selling study materials. They're building relationships and establishing themselves as trusted authorities in their subject areas. When done correctly, brand building can increase revenue by 3 to 5 times compared to individual product sales, as customers become invested in your educational mission and more likely to purchase multiple products over time. Pricing your educational products strategically can make the difference between a hobby and a profitable business, and understanding the psychology behind educational purchasing decisions is crucial for success. Individual items like single worksheets or flashcard sets should be priced between $3 to $8, making them accessible impulse purchases that allow customers to test your quality before committing to larger investments. Themed bundles represent the sweet spot for most educational creators, priced at $15 to $25, because they provide comprehensive value while commanding higher margins than individual items. Complete courses and curriculum packages can command premium prices of $50 to $150, but they require significant content depth, professional presentation, and clear learning outcomes to justify the investment. Premium memberships at $20 to $50 per month create recurring revenue streams and build long-term customer relationships, but they require consistent content creation and community engagement to maintain value. The key to successful pricing is starting with individual items to test market demand, then building your most popular products into higher value packages that serve your customers better while increasing your average order value. Remember that educational buyers are often willing to pay premium prices for quality resources that save them time and improve learning outcomes. So don't undervalue your expertise and the time you've invested in creating comprehensive learning materials. Responsible AI use in educational content creation isn't just about following rules. It's about building trust, maintaining academic integrity, and creating sustainable business practices that benefit the entire educational community. The foundation of ethical AI use lies in transparency. Always disclose when AI tools have been used in content creation, not to diminish your work's value, but to build credibility with educators who appreciate honesty about your creative process. Quality assurance becomes paramount when using AI generated content, requiring human review for accuracy, bias detection, and alignment with educational standards, ensuring that your materials truly serve objectives rather than simply filling content quotas. Attribution and originality must be carefully managed. While AI can help generate ideas and structure content, the final product should reflect your unique pedagogical insights, teaching experience, and understanding of your target audience's needs. Academic integrity extends to ensuring that AI generated study materials encourage genuine learning rather than providing shortcuts that undermine educational goals, particularly when creating test preparation materials or assessment goals. The most successful educational content creators view AI as a powerful assistant that amplifies their expertise rather than replacing professional judgment, using technology that scales their impact while maintaining the human elements that make education meaningful. Building a reputation for ethical AI use and high quality educational content creates long term competitive advantages as educators and institutions increasingly seek partners that they can trust with their students' learning outcomes. Your journey into AI powered educational content creation begins with a single step, but success requires a systematic approach that builds momentum through consistent action and strategic planning. Start this week by choosing one AI tool and create your first piece of educational content, whether it's a simple study guide, set of flashcards, or a printable worksheet, to gain hands on experience with the creative process and understand how AI can enhance your educational expertise. Within your first month, focus on mastering the fundamentals. Learn to write effective AI prompts, Understand the strengths and limitations of different tools, and develop a quality review process that ensures your content meets professional educational standards. The standard 90-day milestone should help see you launching your first digital products on at least one marketplace, gathering customer feedback, and iterating based on real market response rather than assumptions about what educators need. Long term success in the AI education space requires building systems for consistent content creation, developing your unique brand voice, and establishing relationships within the educational community through social media engagement and collaborative projects. Remember that the AI education market is still in its early stages, meaning that creators who start now and build expertise over the next 12 to 18 months will be positioned as leaders when this market reaches mainstream adoption. The combination of artificial intelligence and human educational expertise represents one of the most promising opportunities for creating meaningful impact while building sustainable income streams in the rapidly evolving digital economy. Thanks so much for watching today's episode. If this helped you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next tutorial. Give the video a like. It really helps more content creators discover this content. And share it with anyone who is ready to build smarter income streams with AI. If you want to go deeper, check out my book AI Side Hustles. It's packed with step by step strategies and real examples to help you launch your first AI powered project. You'll find the link right below this video. Thanks again for being here. Let's keep building your future, one smart hustle at a time.